Hello dear students, today we are going to learn punctuation marks. Punctuation marks. Listen and repeat name of punctuation marks. Exclamation,
Exclamation,
full stop,
full stop,
comma,
comma,
question mark,
question mark,
semicolon,
semicolon,
colon,
colon,
slash,
slash,
question marks,
question marks,
round bracket,
round bracket,
dash.
dash.
Answer the following questions. Identify the given characters. खालील विरामचिन्हे ओळखा.
Comma, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark.
Use proper punctuation mark in given sentences. खाली दिलेल्या वाक्यांमध्ये योग्य विरामचिन्हास वापरा.
What a wonderful car! Exclamation mark. Stay home, stay safe. Full stop.
Read the given sentences with proper intonation. खालील वाक्य योग्य चढउतारासह वाचा.
Why are you running, Doraemon? I like apple, banana, grapes and Cadbury.
Very good. Find out sentences using suitable punctuations and read aloud with proper intonation. योग्य विरामचिन्हासह वाक्य लिहा व योग्य चढउतारासह त्याचे वाचन करा. Find out and write 3 sentences from your book for each punctuation mark you learn in this lesson. या पाठात शिकलेल्या विरामचिन्हांची 3 वाक्ये तुमच्या पुस्तकात शोधा व लिहा.